Let us chat about organized crime. What is it all about? Well, in this digital underworld, there is a syndicate. The syndicate that commits organized cybercrime. They are far from petty criminals, but these are sophisticated networks of operatives who are orchestrating some of the most complex and lucrative crimes of this digital age. Think about a global enterprise. No, not the ones with boardrooms and legitimate deals, but there are dark web forums and illegal transactions. These groups are the masterminds behind large-scale operations and could range from financial fraud to massive data breaches. Let's dive into real-life drama. Carbanak Group, also known as Cobalt, stole over $1 billion from more than 100 financial institutions worldwide. They infiltrated banking systems, orchestrated ATM cash-outs, and conducted sophisticated transfer schemes, all from behind a screen. Then there's the infamous dark side ransomware attack on the Colonial Pipeline in 2021 that caused major fuel supply disruptions in the eastern United States. This was not a lone wolf, but an organized criminal group leasing out their ransomware. That is a business model known as ransomware as a service. The stakes here, ladies and gentlemen, are monumental. Nations and corporations would like to fortify their defenses, deploy elite cyber squads, and collaborating across the borders to dismantle these criminal empires. But the battle is relentless. There are new players into this business all the time, and there are new schemes that are constantly emerging from the digital shadows. Now it's a cat and a mouse game. It's a perpetual race between the law enforcement and the criminal innovators. Every breakthrough in technology is a potential tool for both defense and exploitation. The question here is, who will adapt faster, you or them? Understanding organized crime is not just for experts, but it's a social imperative. We are all on the front line, and awareness is our first line of defense. I would like to quote, unquote, a famous statement from a cybersecurity guru, Robert Mueller, who once said that there are only two types of companies: those that have been hacked and those that will be. So that's about organized crime. We're going to talk about shadow IT in the upcoming section. Until then, let's be vigilant, informed, and ready to act. Thank you and stay tuned.